molecular basis of inheritance. Introduction. At the time of Mendel, the nature of factors which are mentioned by Mendel, so those factors regulating the pattern of inheritance was not clear. So the factors mentioned by Mendel, their chemical nature was not known. Over the next 100 years, the nature of putative genetic material was investigated. Putative means thought to exist. So, this genetic material, which was thought to be existing, was investigated, culminating in the realization that DNA is the genetic material. Culminate means final result of this investigation process was that the genetic material, putative genetic material, was DNA, at least for majority of organisms. You have learnt that nucleic acids are polymers of nucleotides. DNA and RNA are two types of nucleic acids found in living systems. DNA acts as the genetic material in most of the organisms. RNA, though it also acts as genetic material in some viruses, mostly functions as messenger. RNA has additional roles as well. It functions as adapter, structural, and in some cases a catalytic molecule. In class 11, you have already learned the structures of nucleotides and the way these monomer units are linked to form nucleic acid polymers. In this chapter, we are going to discuss structure of DNA, its replication, the process of making RNA from DNA, that is transcription. The process of making RNA from DNA is transcription. The genetic code that determines the sequences of amino acid in the proteins, the process of protein synthesis, that is translation, and elementary basis of their regulation. The determination of complete nucleotide sequence of human genome during last decade has set in a new era of genomics. In the last section, the essentials of human genome sequencing and its consequences will also be discussed. We will begin our discussion by first understanding the structure of most interesting molecule in the living system, that is the DNA. In subsequent sections, we will understand that why it is the most abundant genetic material and its relationship with RNA.